and welcome you to watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai, brings you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Kirdem Primary Health Centre blessed with solar light. FKJGP demands SALGIRA MARAK Director PNS to be removed from office. Laundry Maids receives Christmas shawls and blankets from HYC. And Forces rejects decision to relocate the BDO office from UMSNING. And now the news in detail. George B. Lingdor, MLA Umroy constituency, on the 21st of December 2022, inaugurated a solar power energy or sustainable energy solution at Kirdem PHC, Ribhoi district, for it to not be affected by the frequent loss of electricity that hampers their work of serving the public. This solar power energy is built in Kirdem PHC with the collaboration of the state government and a company known as SELCO Foundation. With the presence of the solar power energy, it fought against the irregularity of electric current in the health center, and it also made the functioning of the work run smooth, enabling the people to avail the services provided for them. Present in the event were Memorial Timung from District Medical Ribhoi Branch, Dr. Ruth Marak, Medical Officer, Kirdem PHC, Hetman P. Mukim, Mebar Riskem Shangpliang, Project Coordinator, Selco Foundation, Asha, Anganwadi, and the people of Kirdem.
Kina yo sa atli sab sentang bertemai syarika konstitusi kejumi kawai hapo umkti berkawai hapo doktora. Tigini sab sentang bertemai ki bangin nang yo pada kalian juga sarkaru kala pelai itu bisa kanang aibor yang bubun ba kidong kitai kejumi kisnong ki bangdot kam ki syakri ki bapaka bat kham tam e kan yo la sumar ki makhambiang susu na ka benta ni kidong kitai. Na kwa penparu hani ka jino seniang di Selco Foundation Shakilong kumi jumi rakyat mengar jumi. Nak bagi kita kisah setek lamun toy. Nak mentak keter kesai jumi. Berpendali pek kidon ki mesin ter kesai. Kiba kilong kumi jumi ki baju. Peran kami elani ya kerja ter kesai nak mentak beliau yang kamai kerja jumi. Terus katu kiba peran kami nak bertir nak keti. Andre pendali pek ki mesin bertir nak kini ki mesin kiba ada Selco Foundation kiba ya nak Bosco. Kilong ki kiba nangwa. Ban aibor susu bang yo man pumi susu kambun kusai ban kham ai susu ke jimun toy bat abai ski na komentar juki rumba ki jingtrai ke makarpa ki juki ngi songo yang Selco Foundation ngi songo e ki nongelam ki jongpi ban kham tam e yang tim ki jongpi wala yai Ribhoi district ki blokoi apo ki jilam ti ju dia michu ban ai kuble dia michu lumbai memorial ni badan hangni ban health department ni blokoi.
On the 21st of December 2022, FKJGP demanded from the Chief Minister, Conrad K. Sangma, to suspend SALGIRA MARAK from the office of Director of Printing Stationery and the Secretary of the State Government. While speaking with the media persons, the Assistant General Secretary FKJGP, Reginald Thaba, informed that the demand for removing SALGIRA MARAK from office was on account of misusing of 2 crores rupees, which is meant for the printing stationery department. He added that SALGIRA's conduct was exposed through the right to information requested by Agent Star Kurkalang. Another reason for the demand of his suspension was when the printing stationery department hired an investigation group or a departmental proceeding for the misuse of 2 crores. He added that FKJGP will give the government 10 days time to remove this director from the office, and if the government does not comply, FKJGP will put the printing press under lockdown.
Dang shen ni kan. Nama bangi hadian bangi iba kan ni niyo bani kendu ya ki jong ya ki profile ya ni RTI ni lapa khamsham proceed dengan kes. Dan nak kalian government khamsham nak syamkhia din nak kata nak kalian ke jomi kum ka kisang balang ki bapek ngor di kam sab ki bangin la ban tolerate ni bangin ka ban ailat ni kam sab kam tong nam kali ki pisang patba ya ka bangin man sing follow up ban nilap ba ya kan ki inquiry hadu mentakin pak cemale tingi nak kalian ka sing ni man sing apa da ka shiti shaul chief minister nama ya ha shiti da uniu social activist su ba agent staff kurang ada pa Shau Chief Minister ni nak kalian Chief Minister macam mana dan tak kadang ni pak bang so reminding letter nak kalian cini pak keseng body ban kam man shim initiative steps but area ban suspect dan dia ban transfer to another department.
HYC Maulai Mauyong unit on the 21st of December under the leadership of Dralington Yau Pnyao, General Secretary, headed to 6 places where people wash clothes in Mauyong Japung and Mauyong Rim, which included Nengnong B, Taryang B, and Mauyong Rim, to present women who earns their livelihood as laundry maids Christmas gift with shawls and blankets. The president of HYC Maulai Circle, Don Boklang Karlungdo, presented these gifts to about 90 women.
Dengan ngitskem ba kakam ko kitrei kri kakam ya ka ba pi besar pi dia hiang sam iki kun kiti ban pha puli dang le ba ta ta tinang yang jongi mat na le jonga hang ne ngawan ban ai ta ka jing ka ku kerdo pi ai ba kini ki kam parok ba kitrei ublei nang yo ban kerku pinya dap ya biang hiang sam pinya yo ka ko ka kham tam Bat kum jo ro ai bakani ka Christmas ka bangi sa yo ban rakhe satang lais ngi ai bakan long kata Christmas ka bangin la ban rakhe pen brom hok om bangin le de ki pat ki kam ki ba le se unong bu no thau su se ingin re ling ba ka jing le brom hok la ne ka jing pedang jongi yo to Jesus Christ pri ngai un yo un san nang yo ban the chi bo ki jing ka ku bat kham tam ro la ka long yang ngi ko pe hon ke choice la kalong yepi kum kilong kemilong pa kiba ban pendam ya ka kamai kaji lang ba ka di sajai.
Group of headmen of 30 villages under the Joint Action Committee, along with the associations including the HITO, HNYF and CORP, were completely against the intention of the state government to relocate the BDO office from UMSNING to another location. This JAC and groups of associations had decided to file a complaint to the Chief Secretary and to the MLA of UMSNING to show the rejection of this intention manifested by the government. The JAC requested the Chief Secretary and MLA to put a stop to such a plan of relocating the BDO office, CNRD UMSNING, from one location to another. This JAC was proceeded on the 21st of December at Lumnong Rim. It selected P. Kharkrang as the chairman and Dondor Marbanyang as the secretary to carry out future prospects.
Kiba yakutuk malai posnong yai kiba ngon kaba kapang kadi kaba kajing shift ya ka sia di blok UMSNING selalu umpi. Dan kalian juga gini kamsnong kiba ngayo kajing tip kaba share kini lembaga media kiba nak kalian jong ki NGO semong maseng hito kala persa ne kam. Dan kalian jongi gini kamsnong kiba ngila tip i ya sim ya kene kam bangila Shong meeting long meeting ngi penbaik nakaliang jurma shong hi baro ba nakaliang jungi ngi persya ya kani namarka phang galong ba kum ka jing tip i baro ai ngi tip i ba ya kani ka jing shift ina ka block saklum pi khamdon na kanu ka jing ra na sarkar ni na kanu ro kani la sim bai tang na kaliang jong officer hi tala da galong tai nakaliang kam song yong ba para uno officer ula ban shift kino department sakno jaga ba kwa takal mantoi bingin bu iki minister iki MLA bagi wigi administrative ki bapet habe de bakal yang jong ka development jong baro ke senjam ka mantangi la dabai ki ti office video sulong na ba nakal yang video umdon di siang kwa mani kendu badu bani kan persa mano ba ibor mara ban shift ni ka office te ki ai ki da ba shift ni office ni kwa kata Henry nakaliang ju mla mendan ste udon meeting senong po tingla su anai staff jong block office nam takan ka sti.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.